Wala nang puman, diretso na yan.
Recognizing that there's still a world ahead of us waiting to be explored. On behalf of Batch 2025, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who joined us today to celebrate this significant milestone. To our honorable keynote speaker, Sir Placido Buwan III, our school's division superintendent, Ma'am Soraya T. Facundo, School Principal, Sir Whitney Dawayan, Assistant Principal for the Senior High School, Sir Ortes D. Gabon, Supervisory Staffs, dear teachers, non-teaching staff, beloved parents, fellow candidates for graduation, friends, and to everyone celebrating with us virtually. A pleasant morning to all. Today marks a victory against those sleepless nights, last-minute cramming, and 10 p.m. breakdowns. We have faced countless challenges along the way, especially these past few months. We juggled our research, projects, and other performance tasks, work immersion, and exams, often feeling that giving up seemed easier than pushing through. Fast forward, about 2 weeks ago, we handed in our last exam paper. And in that moment, a wave of relief and pride washed over us. At last, we made it. We stand here not just as students, but as survivors. And more than the grades and achievements, we will walk away from this chapter with life lessons. We learned to work with people we did not always agree with, to speak up, and to stay silent when needed. We raised both our academic and personal standards on a higher level. And we learned to make our voices loud and clear so that we are understood. To our dear parents and guardians, thank you for your love, your support, and your endless words of encouragement. To our school leaders, staff, subject teachers, and advisors, thank you for your wisdom, your patience, and your unwavering support over the past 2 years. And to our alma mater, Baguio City High School, thank you for being our second home. To my fellow graduates and friends, thank you for being more than just schoolmates. Most of all, let us thank ourselves for not giving up. We may not always be at our best, but we did our best. And that is more than enough. Above all is to Almighty Father, who made all this possible. Yes, opens another chapter. And this is just the beginning. Let us carry all the lessons from this season. And when things don't go as planned, may we always remember Isaiah chapter 60, verse 22. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Ladies and gentlemen, in the spirit of this year's theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay sa Bagong Pilipinas. It is with profound gratitude that I welcome you all today to the Senior High School graduation ceremony of Class 2025.
Saan ba sila mag-e-exit dito rin? Hindi.